So guys, you are finally here and we have finally streamed this QA. Today we are most welcome in our QA and we are so thankful that you could join us today. So I'm Manan Singh Rawat from MJ Vlogs and I'm just gonna call her and we'll do QA and fun videos. So be ready for the amazing fun for 15 minutes. Um, so let's open Skype. We are gonna call her through Skype. This is the queen. Just go in here and just call them. So let's just wait.
Hi.
Hello, baby queen. How are you?
Hey, good.
And how's the channel
Hi
going?
guys. It's good. So guys, hello. Sorry, मेरा कैमरा थोड़ा सा लेट लोड हुआ, कोई बात नहीं. That for some time.
Yeah.
So ये जो प्रीमियर है, इसमें बहुत सब कुछ होने वाला है. हम 5 minute crafts की कुछ वीडियोस पे भी रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं, आप लोगों के क्वेश्चंस को भी. So let's get started.
So it's the ultimate disaster of fun. So be ready to just get entertained, and so your questions are also ready for answer to be answered. So let's open Google Chrome for our
Keep your
videos reacting.
popcorn with you.
Yeah, I will present you also. I just so hope you can see the screen.
I can't see it right now, but
It's visible?
now it's visible, right?
Yeah, okay. I have opened Google Chrome here. So I'm gonna be going to YouTube.
MJ Vlogs.
And we are gonna react to Baby Queen videos also. First, should we answer questions or should we react to our videos?
We are reacting on 5 minute crafts, I think.
Yeah. So I need to just go to my channel. I'm shifting you.
First, let's answer the questions.
Okay, then we will answer the questions. I'm just going to video section here. Short notice or live camera. So finally that day came when we were answering the questions.
Yes. I'm very excited actually.
Okay,
Actually,
comments.
मुझे एक क्वेश्चन मेरे टेक्स्ट में मिला, कमेंट्स में नहीं, टेक्स्ट में मिला है.
Okay, that's great.
So let's answer that question only.
Okay, then we will answer this one also.
Okay. So first, that question was, which laptop do you own?
Which laptop do you own? So you can answer first.
I own an HP touchscreen laptop. I don't know what model is it because I'm not that into technology.
Yeah, I am the device I'm using is HP EliteBook 840 G2. It's installed with Windows 10. You can see here I've inserted Windows 11 wallpaper just for that.
Oh,
Yeah. So by the way, whose question was this? Can you tell me the username?
it was from actually I have to check. My camera will be off.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Okay.
It was from Himang Kohli.
Okay, that's great. So thank you, Nan, for asking the question, and hope we answered you. That was successful, and basically you got the answer. Basically, so to your question, now comes this question, Lalita Chanda. How about you met and thought about this collaborate? So first, you can answer your part.
We are in same school and same class.
Yeah.
We were not aware that we both had YouTube channels. After some time, our friend Josha basically created a group on Skype.
So from that video,
and I got to know him many more. Yeah, then we knew that we had YouTube channel, so we thought about this collaborate.
Yeah, we were thinking about, but we were unsuccessful in doing the collaborate, and now it's the time where we are good doing the collaborate.
Yeah.
And You know how you we were thinking, just how, if we both have YouTube channel, why not to, this is a great way to promote both channels, and that's
Yeah.
a great way to increase subscribers, and that's how we thought to collaborate. Thank you, Larita Chanda, for asking this question. Hope you got the answer. Now it's from Manan Rawat. What are your next goals for YouTube? MJ Vlogs and Baby Point? You can answer Baby Point for your part.
Actually, Manan has already reached 100 subscribers, and I'm on like 50,
Uh,
50 plus. So I
mhm.
want my next goal is to hit 100 subscribers.
Yeah. And it was a great growth for Baby Queen. In one day, she got 7 new subscribers. That's great.
Thank you.
Okay, so MG Vlogs का next goal अभी अभी तो फिलहाल तो अभी 100 था, and now it's changed to 200, and
Yeah.
so that is the question. Hope you got the answer, Manan. It now let's go to the next question. Abhineet Gulaiya. So it's not a question actually; it's a comment. Really took really you took really good efforts, nice videos. So this is it's we are gonna thank Abhineet Gulaiya for this happy praising comment, and
Yeah.
he's saying that you good efforts. So thank you, Abhineet Gulaiya, for this comment. Now let's go to the next question. Akshita Arora, which device you use to make your video for this channel? So you can answer first, Bitcoin.
I use a normal mobile phone.
Okay, mobile phone. You know the model?
Yeah.
Mobile phone.
Yeah. Redmi Note 8 Pro.
Redmi Note 8 Pro. Okay. And I use sometimes, partially I use laptop. I use laptop for uploading. Editing I do in the phone. Sometimes while I get bored or stuffed with roasted with that phone, so I use this laptop. I like my laptop. It was my birthday gift actually.
Oh.
Actually, I didn't know also my dad is going to give me a laptop.
Okay.
Okay, so now
Next is
how?
Abhineet Gulaiya
Yeah,
only.
again, he's. How did you get an idea of making a vlogging channel? And I want to share something with the viewers. Janvi could not join us because she's having some important work, so today she couldn't join us. That's really okay. I will tell that we were having fun in that, but she could not take the take the fun, and
She can join the live premiere, I guess. Is
no,
she here?
she's actually very busy night item.
No, she can't also join the live premiere.
No,
That's okay.
yeah, and how did you get an idea of Vlog channel? So we were on this question. Baby Queen, you can answer first. It's not a vlogging channel, but you can
Yeah,
answer.
mine is not. Yeah.
Let's make a new
Actually,
question
my
of it.
mom randomly showed a video of me dancing, and she was like my colleague like taught me how to upload a video on YouTube, and she randomly posted it.
So
Then
you
I edited my whole channel. Then I that was the basically.
okay? So Vanya started her own channel with the dance videos of her, and
Yeah,
now
my
how we get an idea of vlogging channel, we get an idea of vlogging channel because that time we were going some we are going some out places, and we were just visiting, so we thought of making a vlogging channel because we can put vlogs of that, how it's fun, and can you come here, it's a advantage or a disadvantage with वैसे तो कोई प्लेस है डिसएडवांटेज नहीं होती, कोई भी हर कोई जगह हमें कुछ नया सिखाती है, but we are making
really.
vloggings and telling you how is that place, and so hope Abhineet Laya got got your
Her answer.
answer, got your answer. So thank you for asking a question. Now it's Akshita Arora, who uses to edit the videos, you or your sister? First you can answer. Only you will edit your videos, no?
No, actually I have a friend of mine. जब
Okay.
मैं थक जाती हूँ ना, मैं उसको कह देती हूँ बहन तू edit कर दे, मेरे से और नहीं हो रहा.
Okay, that's great. And who used to edit your videos? You or sister? My sister is really usually very busy,
It's
but
you,
still
I guess.
she comes in our videos, and obviously I do the editings, and
I knew it.
As I told you, we use sometimes a laptop, sometimes you know
Yeah.
phone to edit our videos. So that's how we got an sister. I edit my videos, and let's Ruchika Arora, why you kept your channel name as MJ Vlogs? I kept my channel name as MJ Vlogs because MJ means Manan and Janvi, so we kept as Manan and Janvi Vlogs. You can answer why you kept your name as Baby Queen.
Actually, see, I'm the youngest in my family, so word baby conclude
Okay,
here.
that's great.
So now queen because everything I get, like I just need to click and I get everything. So that's the
Okay,
queen.
that's great. That's great. Thank. Okay, that's great. So, hope Ruchika Arora got her answer. Thank you for asking questions. And now it's Asha Arora, who is Baby Queen
Who's
Pihu, right? So I want to clear this out. Baby Queen is not Pihu. Pihu is our friend. She is, just a neighbor. Then we thought about that she should also came in our videos. Baby Queen is Vanya's channel's name.
and
Put
Chanu.
the, I will put the link in the description. Go and check out her channel. She makes amazing vlogs. So I hope
And
we
vlogs,
oh sorry vlogs, normal videos,
videos,
shorts,
videos.
and that will make you laugh. That's a very funny. I like the videos. And thank you Asha Arora for asking this question. I hope
So
we clear
now
your
let's
out
move on to 5 minute crafts video reaction.
reactions. Yeah, so let's go to first Baby Queen channel.
Oh, we are not reacting on mine.
Yeah, we are acting on you also. What you thought?
I thought we were reacting on 5 minute crafts.
Okay, so you tell how on which channel, which video we should.
Teachers we like. Teachers we like.
Okay, teachers be like, this is my funniest shot I have ever
इनको
watched.
आता ही नहीं है, इनको पता ही नहीं है, इनसे होता ही नहीं है.
That's my favorite one, the most funniest, and
इनको आता ही नहीं है.
इनको पता
इनको
ही
पता ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
इनसे होता ही नहीं है.
Okay, and Janvi's favorite one is this. I will show you. I think it's this one. घर पे.
आज मैं घर पे, कल भी मैं घर पे, परसों भी मैं घर पे, पूरा साल मैं घर पे.
I'm wearing the exactly same pair.
Oh, that's great. That's coincidence.
Yeah, that is actually.
After Baby Queen channel has also a pause in between. Then she became with the new videos. So the first video I watched after this pause was this one. So this is she actually make more shots than normal videos, no? And let's react to our first video.
This was the random video. भाई कॉपीराइट आ जाएगी.
What?
कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक आ जाएगी यूट्यूब
Oh
से.
yeah. Okay.
हमें कॉपीराइट नहीं चाहिए. चैनल बंद हो जाएगा अगर 3 से ज्यादा आ जाती हैं तो.
इंडियन पेरेंट्स जितना मिलता है उसमें खुश रहना सीखो. तो भाई ये बात रिजल्ट के वक्त क्यों भूल जाते हो?
That's very funny, That's the
मैं
main
फनी
thing.
अपलोड करती हूँ.
Yeah. Okay, this is calling my fashion designer. You have a fashion designer?
एक्चुअली यार
Okay.
वही एडिटर है मेरी दूसरी. वो मेरी फैशन डिजाइनर भी है. मेरी
Okay,
डायरेक्टर
so
भी है.
guys, I want to alert with you something. So my mic would be, just disturbing because there's, I think, some weather issues at my place. So the door will be just tap tap tap. So the voice will came. I don't know.
It's okay. We are actually saying the truth also. No, we are not that fake vloggers.
Hmm.
Yeah. Are my clothes ready? First question.
This
Are my clothes
is
all
my
ready?
old like phone cover. Now I have a like all
Okay.
new cover. Now this phone cover doesn't exist.
Yeah, actually, see. I
Now I'm
have
showing
already
that
done.
I'm shooting,
Yeah, I'm
you know,
recording.
shooting.
Hmm.
Shorts are my like, literally favorite thing to do.
Okay.
Designer of Vanya. I design her clothes sometimes, and this is a very big project, and we'll upload the videos.
Swag Jattida, my
Okay,
biggest
bye.
spot.
Yeah, and guys, don't forget to watch Swag Jatida, the official song made by her. This is. I will put the link.
Oh, it's not that good.
Okay, so you can watch personally, guys. I will put the link in the description also. And this is the funniest. This is first video with your mom.
मैम ठीक है मैम एक सेकंड आई
ओके जल्दी आइएगा प्लीज मैडम बोल दीजिएगा मैं वेट कर रही हूँ पता नहीं कहाँ रहेंगी इतनी देर मुझे बुला के इतनी देर मतलब किसी के साथ चैट ही कर रही थी पता नहीं लोगों को
मैम मैं आ गई
ओहो
प्रिंसिपल
क्या
मैम
कह रही थी प्रिंसिपल मैम
रिजल्ट्स के लिए कह रही थी ना
रिजल्ट के लिए रिजल्ट अरे मैडम ऑनलाइन में रिजल्ट पढ़ाई का और ये बच्चों ने तो मजाक बना के रखा हुआ ऑनलाइन स्टडीज को आपको
So
पता
that's
अब
very
बच्चे इसमें
funny.
बहुत ज्यादा ही रोस्ट हुए हैं.
Yeah.
हाय क्वींस
And
Now
this
let's
is
move
the.
on to your channel. No,
Okay. We'll move
that's
on.
it for my channel roasting. Let's come on yours.
Let's come on our channel. So let's start with our first video.
Let's go to you have many
First-
more videos than mine.
48 videos.
Mine are nothing.
No, your videos are okay. I think this
I only
that
have 10 to
much.
15.
Yeah, this is the first video. You know, our first video idea, we were thoughting of, unboxing our new toy when we were small. Then with the editing, first time we were doing editing, so we were having some issues that we thought of this video, doing this video. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, this is that. Drawing a flower with a heart. Janvi taught me how to do this. How to draw this.
मुझे आपके फैन से क्वेश्चन पूछना है.
Okay.
गाइस एक चीज बताओ, आप लोगों ने कभी के पॉप को लाइक आपने लिसन किया या फिर आप एक आर्मी हो, ब्लिंक हो, वंस हो, जो भी हो, कमेंट कर देना इस लाइव पे में हमें, क्योंकि मैं सारे कमेंट्स चेक करूंगी. और इस मनन को के पॉप पसंद ही नहीं है और मैं हूँ एक ब्लिंक, तो हमारी इतनी नहीं बनती
You know,
है.
I don't like these types of things. I know, like normal songs, just they're going into formal things, just going and extracting all things.
प्लीज कमेंट करना अगर आप ब्लिंक हो, आर्मी हो या फिर कोई भी के पॉप फैन हो, वंस एंड मेनी मोर.
So
मैं तो
now
Blink.
you can tell me which video to move on.
I want to do my 5-minute drafts क्योंकि वहाँ पे ना एक्चुअली बहुत सारी वीडियोस है, क्योंकि उसमें कोई सेंस ही नहीं होता.
5 minutes craft.
सेंस इनटू 100 हो जाता है वो, सेंस इनटू 100.
Are you talking about 5 minutes craft?
या एग्जैक्टली सेंस ही नहीं है भाई कोई बात का.
But actually I tried.
लाइव है अभी, वो अभी
Act-
लाइव है, देख सब्सक्रिप्शंस में
Okay, let me.
वो लाइव है, वो हमेशा लाइव रहता है.
She has got 7 crore subscribers also. Yeah, sometimes they are useless. I also think what is this, but still I sometimes tried also there. So we're just not watching it because it's too long, and just we have to continue with our things also. So now you can tell me which video should I move on.
Actually, let's go to come down. That Navratri expectation versus
No, that's the most funny video.
yeah,
No.
this is reality.
पता नहीं मेरे नेटवर्क ही चले गए होंगे, पता नहीं.
Because we can't go, out, so we are just expecting that this is the reality, but the expectation was we will get together and just do garba.
नेटवर्क चला गया, कोई बात नहीं, कोरोना ने सब बर्बाद कर दिया, लेकिन मैं अकेले खेल रही हूँ। चलो फिर जल्दी से मंदिर चलते हैं। नमस्ते पंडित।
Don't
टी शर्ट में कौन सा पंडित होता है पहले ये बता।
don't. Okay, no more. That's done. Now which one you can tell me? Actually, we uploaded 2 copies of it. I don't know how. Now you can tell.
Chandra the wedding.
Okay, that's my sister's wedding actually.
That's 2020's video.
12 December 2020.
Yeah, that's it. Oh,
Man's whole video. This video is getting, higher by higher, day by day. It's getting views. I think
okay.
it's raining out there. Yeah.
Yeah, near my house it's also raining outside.
But it's here. It's showing 38-degree haze. I don't know why it's showing 32-degree haze. Raining here. And it's now showing sunny. Wow, that's great. Oh no, what is happening? Just close, man. What happens to this? I don't know. Okay.
34 is sunny.
Read. Okay, I
Why
read.
is it sunny? It is, I guess, tracking the wrong location.
I don't know. I must check after this. And which one? Now you to make.
My latest phone collection.
It's very, over.
11.
Which is this phone?
iPhone 11 mini. I have made much better phones
iPad.
than this also.
And
This is just what I do
says
in
iPhone
my childhood.
Pro.
You only create iPhones. What about
100x
Samsung,
zoom.
Vivo, and Oppo?
I like Apple more than these companies.
I use a Vivo. actually. Redmi.
They also roast themselves. They roast Samsung while sometimes roast Apple. Just roast them.
Yeah, yes.
Why they're roasting? I don't know. They should just grow with their companies. Why they are just focusing on other companies? I don't know what their problem have. But that's their opinions. What can do. So now which one?
Actually, it's almost my tuition time.
Okay, yeah, we have to, just end this here. And so, guys, thank you for watching our
Joining
video.
this live premiere.
Yeah, we were waiting for this event, and how the time spent, we didn't know also. 25 minutes spent. So, thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and just comments, put your thoughts in the comments box, and we will be doing more, like this premieres afterwards.
Collaborations.
Yeah, collaborative videos. So be ready for the
गाइस
entertainment.
मेरे चैनल पे वीडियो आने वाली है, उसमें हम 5 मिनट पे आपको बहुत ही गंदा रोस्ट करेंगे, तो देखते रहना आप.
Okay, so thank you, and I will put the link in the description of channel Baby Queen, so get and check out that. So thank you for watching. Hope you could join us today, and we are so happy and so glad that we surpassed 100 subscribers, and almost about just let's just check 7,516 views. Our goal is for 10,000 views. 10,000 views. On this we are uploading some special thing, something special. I have to leak something also.
Leak. That's interesting.
I am leaking some hints for you guys. So, like Swag Jackie Da, I'm also thinking for just a music video, but it's not confirmed.
I'll
It's
help you
just
with
a
it
leak.
because I have worked on one actually. I'll help you with it.
Yeah. And 1 second, I'm having some issues. I'm just switching off that.
Actually,
Bolo!
I'll also switch off my camera because I have to to basically do something.
Yeah. Okay. So we should end now.
I guess, yeah. So that's it for today, guys. Tata, goodbye.
Bye. And thank you, Baby Queen, for joining us today.
No props.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
All the video. Thank you guys for joining us, and we are ending with this. So, MG Vlogs, thank you for making us surpass. Oh, I will call it back. So, thank you, and have a nice day, great day. No, let's get it browsing. So, I'm just stopping this present.